In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can convert small letters to capital letters using a shortcut. So let's get started. Okay, so I have prepared this example for you, and as you can see, it has a lot of small letters. So we are going to convert this into all capital letters. So how can we do that? First is we need to select the text. So let's do it for the first paragraph first. Okay, so you just have to simply drag your cursor to the first paragraph, then look at your keyboard and press the Shift key and F3 key together. Again, it's Shift and F3 key together. Okay, now let's press it. And as you can see, it has been converted to all capital letters. Okay, now let's do it for the second paragraph. You just have to select it and then press Shift and F3 together on keyboard. Okay, and that's it. That's how you can easily do it. Again, it's Shift plus F3. Okay, it's Shift and F3 together, and you can convert all small letters to all capital letters in Microsoft Word. So that's it. I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.